VDA 6.3 2023 Process Auditor Training Program Automotive Process Excellence. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's highly competitive automotive industry, organizations are expected to maintain world-class quality standards, robust manufacturing processes, and continual improvement systems. Customers, OEMs, and regulatory bodies demand consistent product quality, process reliability, and supply chain excellence. One of the most recognized standards for process auditing with the automotive sector is VDA 6.3 2023. This training program is designed to help quality professionals, process engineers, auditors, manufacturing personnel, and suppliers understand and effectively implement VDA 6.3 process auditing requirements across their organizations. At URGS International, we conduct evening and weekend batches every month, especially designed for working professionals seeking career growth and industry-recognized auditing competence. What is VDA 6.3? VDA stands for Verband der Automobilindustrie, the German Automotive Industry Association. VDA 6.3 is a globally recognized process audit standard used extensively by automotive manufacturers and suppliers worldwide. The standard provides a structured methodology to evaluate manufacturing processes, project management activities, supplier management systems, production controls, and product realization processes. The latest VDA 6.3 2023 version introduces updated requirements and enhanced focus areas to address modern automotive industry challenges, including process effectiveness, risk-based thinking, supply chain management, product safety, process capability, controls improvement, customer-specific requirements. Organizations that effectively implement VDA 6.3 gain significant advantages in quality performance, customer satisfaction, and operational excellence. Why process auditing is important? Many organizations have management systems in place but still experience customer complaints, product defects, product disruptions, delivery delays, supplier quality issues, increased operational costs. Process auditing helps identify weaknesses before they become major problems. A well-executed process audit can improve process stability, reduce waste and rework, enhance product quality, strengthen customer confidence, increase operational efficiency, support compliance with automotive requirements. Process audits are no longer optional. They are a strategic tool for business success. Now, overview of VDA 6.3 2023 structure. The VDA 6.3 methodology evaluates various process elements through the product life cycle. These process elements include P1 potential analysis, assessment of suppliers and organizations before project initiation. Focus areas: organizational capability, technical competence, resource availability, quality management maturity. P2 project management, evaluation of project planning and execution activities. Focus areas: project objectives, risk management, milestone monitoring, resource allocation. P3 product and process development planning, review of planning activities during product and process development. Focus areas: customer requirements, feasibility studies, development planning, risk analysis. P4 product and process development realization, assessment of actual implementation of development activities. Focus areas: design validation, process validation, prototype management, product approval activities. P5 supplier management, evaluation of supplier selection and monitoring processes. Focus areas: supplier qualification, performance monitoring, supplier development, incoming quality management. P6 process analysis production, one of the most critical sections of VDA 6.3. Focus areas: production planning, equipment management, process controls, maintenance systems, quality inspections, traceability. P7 customer support and satisfaction, assessment of post-delivery activities. Focus areas: complaint management, customer feedback, warranty management, controls improvement. Benefits of becoming a VDA 6.3 process auditor. Professionals trained in VDA 6.3 are highly valued across automotive manufacturing organizations. Benefits include career growth. Organizations actively seek qualified auditors who can drive process improvement activity initiatives. Enhanced technical knowledge. Participants gain deep understanding of automotive manufacturing processes and quality requirements. Increased employability. VD certified professionals are preferred by OEMs, Tier 1 suppliers, Tier 2 suppliers, manufacturing companies, automotive consulting firms. Global recognition. VDA methodology is recognized and applied internationally across automotive supply chains. Better audit effectiveness. Participants learn practical techniques to perform objective, value-added audits. Key learning outcomes. Upon completion of the training, participants will be able to understand VDA 6.3 2023 requirements, plan and conduct process audits, evaluate process effectiveness, identify risks and improvement opportunities, apply process-based auditing techniques, prepare professional audit reports, conduct supplier process audits, improve manufacturing performance, enhance compliance with customer requirements. The next is practical auditing approach. Our training focuses not only on theory but also on practical implementation. Participants learn audit planning, how to define audit objectives and scope, audit preparation, reviewing documentation and process information before audits, conducting interviews, gathering objective evidence through effective questioning techniques, process observation, evaluating actual process execution on the shop floor, evidence collection, identifying facts, records, and observations supporting audit findings. Audit reporting, preparing clear, concise, and actionable reports. Follow-up activities, monitoring corrective actions and improvement initiatives. Now, industries benefiting from VDA 6.3. Although originally developed for automotive manufacturing, VDA 6.3 principles are valuable across many sectors including automotive components, electric vehicle manufacturing, aerospace components, heavy engineering, precision manufacturing, industrial equipment, metal processing, electronics manufacturing, plastic components, packaging industries. Organizations across these sectors increasingly adopt process auditing practices to improve operational excellence. Now, who should attend? This training is ideal for quality managers, quality engineers, internal auditors, supplier quality engineers, production managers, manufacturing engineers, process engineers, continuous improvement professionals, automotive industry personnel, supplier representatives, management representatives. Whether you are new to process auditing or looking to upgrade your skills to the latest VDA 6.3 2023 requirements, this program provides a valuable knowledge and practical insights. Why choose URGS International? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is committed to delivering high quality professional training programs that create real industry value. Our program focus on practical understanding, industry relevance, expert guidance, real world applications, interactive learning, career enhancement. We support professionals and organizations in achieving excellence through internationally recognized training solutions. To support working professionals, we conduct evening and weekend batches every month, making it easier to upgrade skills without affecting regular work commitments. At last conclusion, VDA 6.3 2023 process auditing is a powerful methodology that helps organizations improve quality, reduce risks, strengthen customer confidence, and achieve operational excellence. For professionals, mastering VDA 6.3 opens new career opportunities and enhances credibility within the automotive and manufacturing sectors. Join URGS International's VDA 6.3 2023 Process Auditor Training Program and develop the competence needed to conduct effective process audits and drive control improvement within your organization. For enrollment and batch schedules, email us info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the URGS International channel for more professional training programs, certification updates, quality management insights and industry excellence solutions. Thank you.